Welcome to Help Screen. If you want to know how to get invisible username on Discord, first thing is go ahead and go to discord.com and sign in into your account or open up the Discord application. And now once you are here, select the user settings down below over here, the gear icon. Right after that, go to profiles over here on the left side of the screen. You should be able to see here display name. So guys, I will put the code or the text that will make your username invisible. So just simply copy the display name or copy the text on the description. And after that, of course, remove the quotation marks. And as you can see, you should be able to have the invisible display name. After that, select Save Changes. And from here, you should be able to have something like this. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.